Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel on makeup tutorials and beauty related content. In today's video I'm going to create this wild cat eye look, whatever you want to call it. Seriously have no idea what to call this look, but by the time I upload this video I must have thought about the title or something. Anyways, I love how it turned out. You can see, you can see it looks really beautiful, and I'll be mentioning the products also. In case if I forget, you can always find it in the description box below. Also, I want to tell you this is not my own look. This is inspired from one of the Google pics that I found on internet. I think I will put it right here. So yeah, so I was inspired, and so I was like, okay, let me just try it and see if it works for me. So that was it, and then the next day I am shooting this tutorial. Alright, so if you want to know how I got this look, please continue watching.
Okay, so first I'm taking very little of a red brown shade from Jaclyn Hill dupe palette to shade the area wherever I think my wild eyeliner will follow. And I think it's pointless to show the pan in the palette because it's a dupe and not the exact dupe, so shades from the original one are different, and even two dupes can be very different, especially for this palette. Then I'm taking my NY Bay liquid lipstick, which is horrible as a lipstick. I don't know about the other lipsticks in this brand, but this one creases very badly on lips. Anyway, I'm using it to apply as a liner using a tiny flat brush. So here I dipped my brush again in lipstick to intensify the liner because the pigment on the brush had dried, and then I'm making the upper curve just like on my left side. The pigment on the brush had dried sometime later, but it gave this soft stroke when I dragged it anyway. So next I'm shading red shade softly over the eyeliner I just drew. Next I'm using Lakme Insta Liner to line on the same lines as with the red liner. And don't ask me how that hand on my forehead helped. I don't know, it just did. It just helped by being there. Okay, so next I'm using a black shade to softly shade on the black liner now. So apparently, having to keep my eyes open all the time made me watery and uncomfortable. Okay, so you can see that I repeated the same step to my left eye, but I got a little far with the liner on the curve, so I'm trying to match both the eyes. And then I overdid on the right side, which was great, so I'm going back and forth between both my eyes to make sure they look same. Okay, then I took the red shade again and I'm shading it in my lower lash line. Then I am shading with the black shade using a flat brush. Then I'm using the liner again to draw the lower wing and to extend my inner corners. And after this, I did my base and lip off camera just to save time in the video.
So this is the finished look, and I so wish that I had a black dress on because this would have looked bomb. But sadly I don't have it. I mean, my dresses are all packed in a different place. That's a long story. Yeah. Anyway, I forgot to wear mascara, so let me just finish this whole look with mascara. I'll just place my mirror here. If you want to wear a wild look, like a wild cat look, this look is perfect. Seriously. I really like it. And though the makeup on this eye is not exactly a match with this eye, but I think it looks acceptable. It doesn't look that bad. So I think I did a pretty good job. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.